In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use remote play for your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to play your PS5 games on your PC, Mac, smartphone, or tablet, remote play lets you stream your console to another device, whether you're in another room or away from home. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once everything is configured, you can connect to your PS5 whenever you want using the PS Remote Play app. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up remote play on your PS5 and connect it from another device. Before we get started, make sure your PS5 is connected to the internet and that you're signed to your PlayStation Network account. You also need the device you want to play on, whether that's Windows PC, Mac, Android phone, iPhone, or iPad. For the best experience, I recommend using a fast and stable internet connection, especially if you plan on using remote play away from home. Alright, to start, let's enable remote play on the PS5 itself. So to do that, you want to go to the top right and go to settings. From here, you want to go to system and then hover down to remote play. Here, you'll have option to enable remote play. Select that, and then you're going to enable remote play for the account that you want to use. Here, I just enable for all of my account. Now you can go back, and if you scroll down, you can also hide remote play connection status if you want, which is the remote play connected message on top of your screen. Now you can go back and go to power saving. Here you want to go to features available in rest mode and make sure you enable these two. Stay connected to the internet and also enable turning on PS5 farm network. These settings allow your PS5 to wake up remotely whenever you connect through the PS Remote Play. Alright, now we're done with the PS5 settings. Let's go to your device. Alright, I'm going to install remote play on my PC. So just open up your browser and then you're going to type in PS Remote Play on the search bar. Go to the official website, which is playstation.com or playstation.net, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to the download page. So let's go to playstation.net here, and here you can click download, select the device you're using. For me, I'm using Windows PC, so I'm going to select that. And then before you can click download, you have to agree to the license agreement and privacy policy. You can read it here if you want. I already did that. So just check I agree, and you can click download. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. Now just go to your downloads folder and simply double click on the exe setup. So it'll open up the installation window, select English and hit OK. And then it will download some necessary files. Wait for it. Here you just install it like usual. Just hit next, select the installation folder. I'm not going to change it. Hit next again and hit install. Now just wait for it to finish installing. Alright, now the installation is complete. We can hit finish and launch PS Remote Play. The first thing you need to do before you can access PS Remote Play is to sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Make sure this is the same account on your PS5 or a Remote Play will not be able to find your device. So just hit sign in and sign in to your PlayStation Network account. And once you're in, you have two options to connect to, PS5 and PS4. We're going to select PS5 this time. It will say this before connecting to your PS5, enable remote play on your PS5, but we already did it. So just hit OK and it will start connecting. This will take a few minutes, so just wait for it to pair up. And there we go, we are in. The quality is a bit blurry here, but anyways, now you can connect your PlayStation controller to your PC or your device. So let me do it right now. Alright, it's connected, as you can see at the bottom right, and now I can use the controller connected to my PC to control PS Remote Play. On the bottom right, you can play around with the volume and also enable your mic. For now, I want to show you some settings, so you can close PS Remote Play for now. And now when you launch PS Remote Play again, it will remember the device that you have connected. But before we pair it up, you can click the gear icon on the left, go to video quality for remote play, and here you can change the resolution and also the frame rate of the stream. You can change it to high, but I don't recommend that because except you have a really good connection or using internet cable, so your PS5 and PC are in the same network. So let's set it to standard, hit OK. Now we're ready to go. Let's connect it again and see if the quality is better. Alright. There we go. Now you can launch your game and play your PS5 remotely. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.